Welcome to Brookshire Brothers course on branch capture training. Branch capture is the electronic process of gathering account and transaction information for checks taken at our stores. It is the way we send the information for checks. This is what your branch capture machine looks like. This is the machine you will use to process your checks electronically. Begin by double-clicking on the branch capture icon, located on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you have clicked on the branch capture icon, the login screen will appear. On the login screen, you will enter Office MGR for the username and your store's 5-digit zip code as the password. Once all of the correct information is keyed in, click on Login to proceed to the next step. Select Capture Checks. Next, you will see the Capture selection screen. Click on Start Capture. You will be asked if you are sure you want to capture the run. Click Yes. If needed, you can move the digital check capture application box. Drag it down until you can see the Enter Credit button. Select Enter Credit. Now you will set up the store credit slip batch header for the checks that you are going to scan. The following information will need to be entered: check number, account number, and the amount of the checks. Key in the date of the business day the checks were taken. The format for the day will be a 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and a 2-digit day. For example, if the date is December 2nd, 2014, you will enter 2014-1202. Once the date is entered, press the / key and the information will automatically post on the check line. Next, you are going to enter the account number. Stores 1 through 70 will enter 0052, followed by the store number. Stores 71 through 99 will enter 0054, followed by the store number, and stores 100 through 108 will enter 005, followed by the store number. For example, the account number for store number 2 would be 005202. When you have keyed in your account number, you are going to press the dash key. The last thing you will enter is the amount. You will enter the total amount of the checks that you are going to scan. Do not use a decimal. For example, if the total of the checks is $604.28, then you will enter 60428 as the amount. After the amount is keyed in correctly, you are going to press Enter. Once you are finished entering the data, press Save Credit. Once the store credit slip has been set up correctly, you will see this image and the data will be displayed on the top line. Notice the image of each check scanned will appear on the right side of the screen, and the data from each check will be listed on the lines above the image. If the back of the check is appearing in the image, do not rescan the check. The Check Processing Center has the ability to read both sides of the check. Therefore, rescanning will cause the batch to not balance. After you have run the checks through the scanner, you will see a number of checks scanned in the area entitled Number of Images Passing IQA. The number in this box should be equal to the numbers of checks being scanned, plus the store credit slip. Example, if you had 23 checks, then the number of images passing IQA would be 24. When you have made sure the number of images passing IQA matches the total of your checks, then click on Save and Exit, located in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Then you will need to click on Verify Images. Click on Yes to verify that you want to save and exit. You are now ready to transmit the run. To continue transmitting the run, click on Yes. After clicking Yes, you will be asked if you want to transmit the following runs. Click Yes. The next window to appear on the screen will be labeled File Transmit. This is the processing of all information you have entered in up until this point. Branch Capture will generate a report labeled Host Balancing Report. You will print 2 of these reports, one for your daily records and one to be placed in the plastic security bag to be sent in to the check processing center. To print the report, right-click on the page and select Print. Once you are done printing 2 of the receipts, you can now close out all of the windows by clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner. The following video is the proper use and maintenance of the check scanner.
Hello, I'm Arlen Converse, Manager of Technical Support at Digital Check, and I'm going to talk to you about the TS240. You can install the inkjet cartridge, so you'd remove it from the container, open up the center cover, and then go ahead and insert the cartridge, slight downward angle, and snap it into place. On the single line printer, you'll find that when the cartridge is properly installed, it's sitting at a slight downward angle. Now you're ready to insert your documents into the scanner. First, you want to prepare them properly, check for dog-eared corners, bent, folded, etc. Straighten those out, align the front and bottom edges of the checks, insert them into the entry pocket about 1 inch back from the line, down to the base plate, and slide them forward. If the scanner were to jam, you have a couple of options of how to remove it. One is if it's an eject button available on the application that would run the motors to cycle the item through the path. The other option is if it's stuck in the path, you can simply remove the cover set, grab the item, and carefully work the item vertically out of the path. One of the more important items on the scanner besides document prep is proper cleaning and periodic cleaning. So about every 5,000 to 10,000 items, you're going to need to clean the rollers on the scanner. So you simply remove the cleaning card, start the motors using either our Scan Light or Diagnostics application function, hold the cleaning card into the entry pocket, wait about 5 seconds, let it scrub on the rollers, flip the card over, let it scrub again for about 5 seconds. Do that several times, and then you can allow the cleaning card to slide all the way through the path 4 to 5 times, flipping it each time. And this will have the effect of scrubbing off all of the paper, dust, and debris that builds up on the rollers. The other options for cleaning the scanner would be take a can of compressed air, start at the back after removing both covers, and blow toward the entry pocket and toward the exit pocket to blow all dirt and debris and dust out of the path. Also on the cartridge nozzle, over time you might have the cartridge nozzles start to dry up or drop out certain lines within the print. You can simply remove the cartridge, take a damp paper towel, dampened with water, you do not want to use alcohol, and wipe horizontally across the nozzles and then replace the cartridge and you're good to go. So, at the end of the day, the best way to maintain proper performance on your scanner is proper document prep and proper maintenance on the scanner rollers.
Cleaning cards and ink cartridges are available and can be ordered from the warehouse. The order number for the inkjet printer cartridge is 555789. The order number for the check scanner cleaning card is 501866. The following steps need to be used to properly send the checks to the corporate office. To complete the check transmittal form, you will need the cash report date, bag number, number of checks, and the bundle total amount, with the grand total entered in the bottom square. Complete all required information requested on the front of the plastic security bag, as well as the tear strip on the top of the bag. Place the batch of checks along with the check transmittal form and the host balancing form into the security bag. Remove the tear strip and staple it to the daily cash sheet. Seal the bag. Place all security bags in the safe until your next Brookshire Brothers grocery truck arrives. Complete a check transmittal log with the store number, prepared by, time, cash report date, bag number, and seal number. Place secured plastic bag and the white copy of the check transmittal log inside an aqua bag and loop the seal on the bag zipper. Keep the yellow copy of the check transmittal log with your daily paperwork. When the truck arrives, the DSD clerk will notify the office. You should fill out the check transportation log with the date, time, seal number, received by, and driver's signature. When you take the bag containing the checks in the check transportation log to the back door, the DSD clerk will get the driver's signature on the transportation log and return the log back to the office. This concludes the Brookshire Brothers course on branch capture. For any questions, please contact any member of the training team. Thank you.